Hey y'all, so I just wanted to do a quick video. I just picked some things up from Walmart that I wanted to test out and try and see how well they work. So I'm gonna show you what I got first and then I might test them out on camera. So let's get started. So the first thing I picked up is a Swiffer Dusters Heavy Duty Pet Dusting Kit. So the cats are like shedding everywhere, so I wanted to pick this up and see how it works. And then for the first time ever, I got a litter mat. This is the Arm & Hammer litter mat. It's gray. I never had one before, so we're gonna see how this works. I also picked up one of these. This is the True Touch 5-finger de-shedding glove. It's for dogs and cats. And these cats are shedding like crazy right now, so I'm gonna see if this works. And last but not least, I got some pet perfume for my girls. This is a freshening spray. This smells amazing, but I haven't put it on them yet, so we'll see how good it is. I also got some of these Swiffer Sweeper Dry. It's supposed to trap and lock pet hair, cat and dog dander. I don't know if that works, but we'll find out. Okay, so as of right now, this litter box needs cleaned out, so don't judge. I had a towel down here just to catch the litter for now, but we're going to try out this litter mat. This feels really gross, but okay. Oh, it's cute, it has paw prints on it. So what, I just lay it there and then put the mat where? Right here?
Yeah, like that.
Like this?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Put that over. And then put the litter box here. Okay, well hopefully that'll catch some of that litter and we'll be okay. So even though this litter mat was cute and all, it did not work for me. Because we use crystal litter, it did not catch the litter, so this was not a good purchase for me. But if you use regular litter, it might be good for you, but just doesn't work for us. Don't try to leave me. Okay. Good girl. Okay, let's see how this works. Don't leave. Oh my god. It's getting all over though. Look!
I know.
Oh my god. Well,
probably should have did it outside.
Yeah, well I guess this would be a good chance to try the Swiffer Duster. Come on. Come on now, be a good girl. She's purring like.
Is she?
Mm-hmm. Look how much hair is coming off.
Yeah, I know. It's ridiculous. What? How?
Oh my god. Where do we go from here? Look at that. Come on, you're not done. Come back. Come on.
You gotta do her tummy and her neck and head.
Kiki is loving this. She thinks this is the greatest thing that's ever happened to her. Kiki's not that bad with shedding. Oh, you lettuce, Kiki? You lettuce, huh? Yes. All right, Kiki's pretty good, right? Dee 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 dum dum. Are you filming her?
Mm-hmm.
She's so bad. Yeah. Kiki's not that. Oh, you want more? Okay.
Clean it off and then do it.
This is what
Eating her hair.
This is what came
She
off.
just swallowed a bunch of it. Is she crazy right now? That's all her hair that came off of just Cookie alone. Look at that big ball.
So this little handheld Swiffer thingy actually worked really good. It picked up the cat hair perfectly and it's scented, so it was a pleasurable experience using it because it smelled really nice, but it definitely worked. So this one is a keeper. So now I'm testing out these Swiffer Sweeper dry pads, and this is for dog and cat hair. I'm testing it out on my floor, and these were pretty cool. They worked really well. They picked up the cat hair no problem. They even picked up that big ball of cat hair, so I thought that was pretty cool. It just instantly grabbed it and picked it up, and it stuck to the pad, so I really like this product also. So yeah, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any advice or tips on what products to use to tackle this cat hair on this black flooring, it would be appreciated. So leave some comments down below. I'm willing to try anything that will work for me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and leave me some comments, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.